This is Imran Pardesi sir, and today I will be continuing standard 9th Maths First, chapter number 3, Polynomials. In polynomials, today we will see 3.2, the rest of the questions, and we will start from question number 2. So look at the board, students. The question number 2 is add the given polynomials. It means, see, this is a polynomial, this is another polynomial. First we will copy the question as it is, and then we have to add. It means we will show the addition sign in between both of these polynomial. Okay, first you will copy down as it is, then you will take out this sign and you will put their addition sign. Is it clear? Now what you have to add? See, as we know, we have done from 7th and 8th standard how to add the like terms. Okay, the terms who are having same variable and the same index or same power. Focus on that. Okay, so now see here, x raised to 3. Which number is having x raised to 3 here? This one. So this and this number you have to write together. See, x raised to 3, then this is plus 5x raised to 3. Okay, then 3 after 2, right? So this is the second one, minus 2x square. Okay, then x raised to 3, x raised to 2, then x raised to 1. Where is x raised to 1? Here. So we have to write plus 2x raised to 1. Okay, then this is here minus 9 plus 9. Okay, so minus 9 plus 9, 0. Okay, now we have to add. This is, what is the coefficient of this x cube here? 1. What is the coefficient of x cube here? 1. And this is, what is the coefficient of x cube here? 5. 1 and 5, 6x cube. Okay, now see, this is minus 2x square, only one term is there. So it will come as it is, minus 2x square and plus 2x. So this is the addition of these two polynomials. First you will copy the question as it is, then you will take out this symbol, then you will add the addition sign because we have to add the given polynomials. And how you will add? According to its highest index. Okay, first you will take the highest index, highest power, then we have to arrange in descending order. Is it clear? Now see, x cube, 5x cube, then x cube after x square should be there. So x square term is here, then x raised to 1, then minus 9 plus 9, they will get cancelled, or 0. Minus 9 plus 9 will be 0. Okay, now see here, the second one. First we will copy the question as it is, minus 7 m raised to 4 plus 5 m raised to cube plus root 2. 5 m raised to 4 minus 3 m cube plus 2m square plus 3m minus 6. The question we have written as it is, then we have to take out this sign and we have to put addition sign. Okay, so write down minus 7 m raised to 4 plus 5 m cube plus square root 2 plus 5 m raised to 4 minus 3 m cube plus 2m square plus 3m minus 6. Now we have to arrange them in the descending order of their index, which is the power, maximum power, the highest power, m raised to 4, m raised to 4. Take them together, minus 7 m raised to 4, and this is plus 5 m raised to 4. Okay, m raised to 4 after the next decreasing order, 3. So it is 5 plus 5m cube, again is there, minus 3m cube. Okay, then m raised to 4, m raised to cube, then m raised to square. So where is m raised to square? Here, plus 2m square. Okay, then m raised to 1, this is plus 3m, then we have to write this, plus square root 2 minus 6. So this is how we have to arrange the like terms in the order only, and then we have to see the answer of the like terms, what will be the answer will come. So you have to do the addition or subtraction. Look at here, minus 7 m raised to 4 plus 5 m raised to 4, plus minus minus, 7 minus 5, 2. So bigger number was 7, its sign is negative, so answer will come minus 2 m raised to 4. Okay, plus minus minus, 5 minus 3 plus 2, bigger number was positive, so plus 2m cube plus 2m square only one term, plus 3m, also only one term, plus root 2 minus 6. Okay, so this is the answer of these two polynomials. It is very easy. I hope you understood. First we will write the question as it is, then we have to take out this symbol, we have to put the addition sign, and then we have to arrange the terms according to their index, their power, descending order. Okay, and then we have to do addition or subtraction. Okay, now we will see the third one over there. First we will copy the question as it is. 2y square plus 7y plus 5, 3y plus 9, then 3y square minus 4y minus 3. Okay, so there are three polynomials. Okay, then we have to take out these signs, these signs we have to take out, and we have to put the addition sign. Okay, so now write it down. 2y square plus 7y plus 5 plus 3y plus 9 plus 3y square minus 4y minus 3. Okay, now we will arrange the like terms. Okay, like terms y according to their index. So which is the highest index here? Y square. Here y square, here y square. Write them together. 2y square plus 3y square. Okay, then after y square there should be y raised to 1. So see, this is y raised to 1, y raised to 1, y raised to 1. So write together 7y plus 3y minus 4y. Okay, then we have to write the numbers. It is plus 5 plus 9 minus 3. Okay, so solve now. This is 2 and this is 3. 2 plus 3, 5y square. Okay, then plus 7 plus 3 plus 10 plus 10 minus 4, it is plus 6y. Again I will say 7 plus 3, 10. 10 minus 4, 6y. Is it clear? Plus 5 plus 9, 14. 14 minus 3, 11. So this is the answer. 5y square plus 6y plus 11 is the answer of that given polynomials. I hope you understood how to solve this practice set 3.2 question number 2. Now we will see the third question, which is subtraction. Same, first we will copy the questions as it is, then we will take out this sign, we will take out, and then we will add subtraction. Okay, whenever you will add subtraction, the second polynomial will be in the bracket, so that all the signs of the second polynomial will be interchange, will change. Okay, look at here. First I will copy the question as it is, then I will take out this symbol, I will take out, and I will add subtraction. Look at here. X square minus 9x plus root square root 3. Then I will write, instead of this subtraction, then I will write the second polynomial in the bracket, that is minus 19x plus square root 3 plus 7x square. Okay, now what we have learned till now. So first polynomial you will copy as it is. Okay, and whenever you have to subtract the second polynomial from the first polynomial, the second polynomial you should write in the curve bracket. And now see, this minus will multiply to this minus. So minus multiply by minus. This bracket means multiplication. Minus multiply by minus is plus 19x. This minus will multiply to this plus. It will be minus square root 3. This minus will multiply to this plus. It will be minus 7x square. So this is how this second polynomial will change their sign. Is it clear? Now we have to arrange according to the height index. The highest index is here, x square, and x square is here. So arrange them. This is x square minus 7x square. Then x square after should be descending order. Higher, smaller, smallest. So x square after x raised to 1, that is minus 9x plus 19x. See, x raised to 1, x raised to 1. Here x raised to square, x raised to square, x raised to 1, x raised to 1. Then plus root 3 minus root 3. Okay, so this plus root 3 and minus root 3 will get cancelled 0. Yes. Now look at here. Here 1. What is the coefficient of this x square? 1. What is the coefficient of this x is minus 7. Plus minus minus. So answer will come minus 6x square. Is it clear? This is 1. 7 minus 1, 6. Bigger number is 7, which is in negative. So answer will come minus 6x raised to square. Now this is plus minus minus. 19 minus 9, 10. So you will write plus 10x. So this is the answer. Okay, this is the answer of this first subtraction. We have to subtract the second polynomial from the first. So we have to take out this sign. We will put minus sign, but second polynomial we will write in the bracket so that all the sign of the second polynomial will change. Then we have to arrange the terms according to the highest index in their descending order, and then we have to add or subtract. Is it clear? Now we will see the second one. We will copy the question as it is: 2ab square plus 3a square b minus 4ab, then this symbol 3ab minus 8ab square plus 2a square b. Okay, so I have written the question as it is. Now we have to take out this sign and we have to add the subtraction sign over there, So I will write 2ab square plus 3a square b minus 4ab minus, but the second polynomial we will write in the bracket because it is a subtraction. Okay, all the signs of second polynomial will change. Is it clear? Is it clear? Now we will answer it. We will take out this second polynomial out of the bracket. 2ab square plus 3a square b minus 4ab. Then this is minus multiplied by this plus. So minus 3ab. This minus will multiply to this minus. It will be plus 8ab square. This minus will multiply to this plus, it will be minus 2a square b. Okay, so this is how we have to first copy the question, then we will take out this sign, we will mention over there subtraction, second polynomial will be in the bracket. Next step, take out the bracket so that the second polynomial, all the term signs will change. Okay, then we have to arrange according to their index. See, 2a b square, okay, so take it 2a b square, 8 plus 8a b square, slight term. Now a square is there, yes, see, plus 3a square b, and this is minus 2a square b. See, here b square, here a square term. Now what left? These two. See, minus 4ab minus 3ab. Okay, now we have to solve. 2 plus 8, 10ab square, then plus minus, minus 3 minus 2, it is plus 1. So a square b. 1 we should not, we are not writing 1 because it is 1 only. If there is nothing coefficient, it means it is 1. So 3 minus 2 is 1 a square b. Now see, these two like terms are minus minus minus, addition of number, minus minus minus, addition of number, that is 7ab. This is the answer of second question. This is how we have to do subtraction. Is it clear? Dear students, now we will see the question number 4, which is multiply. First we have done question number 2 addition, question number 3 subtraction, and now question number 4 multiplication. So please look at the board. Multiply the given polynomial. Okay, so this is first term, this is first polynomial, this is second polynomial. Okay, see, we have to take this out and then we have to write their multiplication. First we will copy the question as it is, then I will take out this sign, I will write their multiply because I have to multiply this first polynomial to second polynomial. Okay, so now I will write this multiplication, I will write the second polynomial in the bracket. Now see how to multiply. We will multiply like this. We have done this, then this, then this, right? This to first term, this to second term, this to third term. Okay, so we will multiply number to number and variable to variables. Okay, so 2, what is the coefficient of this x is here? 2. What is the coefficient of this x square is here 1. So 2 ones are 2, x raised to 1, x raised to 2. Whenever there is a multiplication, see, here it is 1 and here it is 2. So the answer will be x raised to cube. Okay, x raised to square, x raised to 3. What will be the answer? X are x and 2 plus 3 is 5. So this is how we have to do the addition of their index whenever there is a multiplication between two variables. See, 2 ones are 2, x raised to 1, x raised to 2. So total x raised to 3, 1 plus 2 minus 2 2s are 4. These 2 will multiply to this 2. 2 2s are 4. X raised to 1, x raised to 1. So 1 plus 1, x square minus 2x, 2 ones are 2x. Okay, so this is the answer of the first question. See, 2x, this is a symbol, this is second polynomial, x square minus 2x minus 1. First I will write the question as it is, then I will take out this symbol, I will write multiplication and I will write second polynomial in the bracket. So I will multiply number to number and variable to variable. 2 ones are 2, x raised to 1, x raised to 2, 1 plus 2, 3. Now minus 2 2s are 4, x raised to 1, x raised to 1, x raised to square, 1 1, 2, right? 2 minus 2, 1, 2 multiplied minus 1 is minus 2 and x raised to 1, x raised to 1 only. Is it clear? Now look at here. I will first copy the question as it is. Then I will take out this symbol, I will write multiply because I have to do multiplication. Then I have to write the second bracket in the second polynomial in the bracket. So first also there are binomials. See, x raised to 5 minus 1. It means it is binomial. Two terms. So I will also put here also bracket. So remember one thing, when there are two brackets and there is a multiplication in between them, we have to cut the first bracket before the sign. Do you remember something? I have taught you like this since lower classes 7th and 8th. Now see, this is first polynomial, this is second polynomial. Both the polynomial are having multiplication sign. This is monomial, this is trinomial. So I have to make their two brackets. So now what I will do, I will imagine a line over here. It means there will be two parts. X raised to 5 is the one part and minus 1 is the one part. Okay, now I will cut this bracket. I will write x raised to 5, then I will write the second polynomial as it is. See, x raised to cube plus 2x square plus 2. Okay, see, again I am saying first I will write the question as it is. Instead of this I will write multiplication. There are two polynomials, monomial and trinomial. I will put two brackets. So there are two brackets who are having multiplication sign in between, and we have done this kind of questions from 7th and 8th standard, that whenever there are two brackets, first bracket I will cut imaginary before the sign. Before the sign means I will make two parts of the first bracket, that is x raised to 5 is the one part and minus 1 will be the another part. So x raised to 5, I will give this second polynomial as it is. Okay, then what was left from here? Minus 1. To minus 1 also I will give the second polynomial as it is. X cube plus 2x square plus 2. Okay, make two part of this first bracket before sign. X raised to 5, give the second polynomial as it is. Then minus 1 the second part, give the second polynomial as it is. Okay, now multiply. See, these are the variables only. X, 5 and 3, 8. X raised to 5, x raised to 3, 5 plus 3, 8. As I have said, if there are two terms, two variable, here 5, here 3. So when there is a multiplication, you have to do the addition of their index. You have to do the addition of their index. Is it clear? If there is division, we have to do subtraction of their index. Now see, this is done. Now this you will multiply to here. Here is 1 and here is 2. 2 ones are 2. X raised to 5, x raised to 2. Total x raised to 7 plus 2 ones are 2. See, 2 ones are 2, x raised to 5. I hope you understood here. Here 1, here 1. So 1 ones are 1, x raised to 5, x raised to 3, x raised to 8. Okay. Now here 2 2 will multiply to here 1. 2 ones are 2. X raised to 5, x raised to 2, x raised to 7. Okay. Now 2 ones are 2, x raised to 5. Is it clear? Now this will multiply to over here. Minus x cube minus 2x square minus 2. This minus will multiply to this. Minus 1s are minus 1 x cube. Minus 2s are minus 1 multiplied by 2 minus 2 x square. Minus 1 will multiply to plus 2 minus 2. Is it clear? Now we have to arrange them in order. Okay. This is the answer only. See, 8 x raised to 8, 2x 7, 2x 5 minus x cube 2x square minus 2. This is the answer only. This is how we have to multiply. Okay. Now see here how to multiply the third one. There are also two polynomials. Okay. So first you will copy the question as it is, 2y plus 1 y square minus 2y cube plus 3y. Then we have to take out this sign. We have to write there multiplication. So I will put both the polynomials in the bracket. Okay, both the polynomials in the bracket. So here also we got two polynomials in the bracket, and this is a monomial, right? This is a monomial. It means I will imaginary cut the first bracket in two parts. First bracket cut into two parts. Imaginary, it means 2y will be the first part. 2y will be the first part. Give this second polynomial as it is. Then plus 1 is the second part. Give the second polynomial only. Okay, so this is how we have to multiply the two brackets. Is it clear? First bracket we will cut before sign. There will be two terms. 2y will get the second polynomial, plus 1 will get the second polynomial. Is it clear? Now you will multiply number to number. 2 ones are 2. Y raised to 1, y raised to square. It means total y raised to 3. Y raised to 1, y raised to 2, y raised to 3. Now this is sign minus. 2 2s are 4. Y raised to 1, y raised to 3. It means y raised to 4. Okay. Plus 2 3s are 6. Y raised to 1, y raised to 1. It is y square. Plus all will come as it is because it is a 1 only. Is it clear? So 1 ones are 1, minus 2 ones are minus 2, plus 3 ones are plus 3. Now you have to arrange or you have to solve. You have to arrange or you have to solve the like terms. See, 2y cube, arrange it according to its height. Arrange it according to its index. What is the highest one? Minus 4y raised to 4. Okay. Minus 2. Okay, plus 2y cube minus 2y cube, okay, plus 6y square plus y square plus 3y. So see, this like term will be 0. What will be the answer? Minus 4y raised to 4, and this is 6y square and 1y square. Total 7y square plus 3y. This is the answer. So this is how you have to solve the given polynomial, and we have to multiply. Is it clear? So dear students, now we will see the question number 5. Divide the first polynomial by second. Okay, look at here. The question is divide the first polynomial by the second polynomial and express as, and at last we have to show what was dividend, what was divisor, multiply by quotient plus remainder. Last we have to write it. Okay. Now see, this is first polynomial, this is second polynomial. So first polynomial is very much important. First we will write the question as it is. See, I have written the question as it is. First polynomial is equals to x cube minus 64. Okay. First we have to write its index form. Means we have to write in their index form with their standard order. See, x raised to cube direct 64 is given. X raised to cube minus 64. So x raised to cube after direct x raised to 0 comes? No. So x raised to cube plus 0x square. The two terms were absent here. 0x square plus 0x raised to 1 minus 64x raised to 0. Okay. So x raised to cube and here direct x raised to 0. It means middle two terms were absent. So we will write the first polynomial in their index form. X raised to cube plus, we always add with the 0 and we will use the same coefficient, same variable. 0x square plus 0x raised to 1 minus 64x raised to 0. Then we will make a pattern like this, division. Okay, the second one is this. This is the first polynomial, second polynomial. Second polynomial will come out. First polynomial you have to write with its index form. Okay, now as we know, we have done this kind of question in 8th standard. It is a division, but we have to do multiplication of this divisor. Okay, so take this. What do you want here first? X raised to 3. X की degree is how much? 3. And here x की degree is how much? 1. So how much less? कितना कम है? Here x raised to 1. Here x raised to 3. It means in divisor how much degree is less? 2. So x minus 4. See here. This is rough work I will do here. X minus 4 will multiply by x square. X square. Is it clear? Why? Because here x raised to 1 and here I want x raised to 3. Okay, so x square is less. Is it clear? X square is less. So I will multiply this divisor by x square. See, it will be minus 4x square and this x cube. Okay, see, x square will multiply to this minus 4, it will be minus 4x square. X square will multiply to this x, it will be x cube. So see, x cube came by which term? So this you will write as a above. It will come over here as a quotient. See, x square will come up. What is the answer you got? X cube minus 4x square. Okay, what we do in division? Subtraction, right? Now see, this will get cancelled, it will come 0, right? Now this minus and this minus will convert into plus. See, this minus and this minus will convert into plus. So what is the answer will come here? Plus 4x square plus 0x minus 64, right? Right? Now again, you will focus on the divisor only, x minus 4. See, x minus 4 will multiply. Now what do you want here? X square. Here is x raised to 1. Here x raised to x square means 1x is left, remain. And x before there is a 4. X square coefficient is 4. Here x coefficient is 1. So here we want 4, right? So we will multiply it by 4x. Do you understand what I am saying? We will focus on this divisor only. In first term, x raised to cube. Here x raised to 1. It means we will multiply this divisor by x square to make this x cube. Okay, so we will multiply by x square. So answer will come like this. We will solve. Then see, focus over here. Focus on divisor and focus here. X raised to 1. Here x square means 1x is left over here. यहाँ पे कम है. 1x is left. And coefficient of x square is 4. Here coefficient of x is 1. So we will multiply it. 4 ones are 4. We will multiply it by 4. See now, 4 fours are 16x and it is 4 ones are 4x square. Is it clear? So this you will write as a quotient. See, plus 4x. The answer will come. What answer came down? 4x square minus 16x. Is it clear? What we do in division? Subtraction, right? Now this will cancel 0. This minus and this minus will be plus. So it will be plus 16x minus 64. Okay. Now again you will focus on divisor and this first term. See, x raised to 1. Here also x raised to 1. So x is in level. X coefficient of x is 16. Here coefficient of x is 1. It means we want here 16. So we will multiply it by 16. Okay. See, x minus 4 multiply by 16. 16 fours are 64. 16x are 16x. Is it clear? So this is how, by which this answer came 16. So plus 16 will be your quotient. Okay. Then you will write over there down what was the answer. 16x minus 64. What do you do here? My subtraction, right? This will 0 minus this minus and this minus will be plus. So minus plus 0. This will be also a 0. Is it clear? This will be also a 0. It means 0 will be your answer. Is it clear? So at last you have to write this dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Please write it down over there. See, I will write dividend is equals to divisor multiplied by quotient, okay, plus remainder. So the dividend is what? What is dividend? The first polynomial is your dividend, that is x cube minus 64. Divisor is what? Divisor. The second polynomial is your divisor. Quotient means the above answer, that is x square plus 4x plus 16 plus remainder is how much? 0. Is it clear? So this is how you have to solve the division. This is first polynomial, second polynomial. So for second polynomial will come out. First polynomial you have to write in their index form, write the absent terms as well, and then always focus on divisor in the first term. Divisor in the first term. Divisor in the first term. And you have to do multiplication. Is it clear? So please pay attention towards the second sum of how to solve, how to divide the two polynomials. Okay, how to divide the first polynomial by second. See, this is first, this is second. Okay, so first we will copy the question as it is. Then we will write first polynomial. See, it is in the standard form x raised to 5, x raised to 4, x raised to 3, x raised to 2, x raised to 0. No, it means one term is absent. So write in its index form. 5x raised to 5, 4x raised to 4, x raised to 3, x raised to square, x raised to 0, x raised to 1. It is absent. So 0, x raised to 1 plus 2. Okay. Then after writing in index form, we will make the division pen like this. Okay. We will divide the first polynomial by second. So first polynomial should be inside, second polynomial should be outside. It is a division, but we have to do multiplication. You have to solve a rough multiplication alongside. Is it clear? So take the divisor and focus on the first term only, x square. Here it is x raised to 5 and x coefficient is 5. Here x coefficient is 1. It means here we want 5. Okay, here x raised to 5. Here x raised to 2. So how many less? X cube. X cube is less. Plus x beside coefficient of x5 is x raised to 5 is 5, coefficient of x square is 1, it means here it should become 5. So we will multiply it. Look at here, जो कम है उससे multiply करना है. So what is left? What is less here? X raised to 5, x square means x cube. X cube is less and 5. We want 5 here because here is 5. So here we want 5. It will come 5x cube. So this is, you have to multiply. 5 ones are 5. X cube and x1, it is x raised to 4. Now this is 5 ones are 5, x cube and x2, x raised to 5. So this is, you will write as a quotient over there. See, 5x cube. And what is the answer? What is the answer you got? 5x raised to 5 minus 5x raised to 4. What you will do? Subtraction. Okay, this will cancel 0, this will be plus, so this minus and this minus will be plus. 4 plus 5 plus 9x raised to 4. Rest of the things you will copy as it is. Okay, then again you will write down the divisor, multiply. Divisor only you will multiply. Now focus on divisor. First term and first term, x raised to 4, here x raised to square means 2, x square is left, x square will come here, and x raised to 4 has a 9, here x square has 1, it means 9. We will multiply it by 9x square. So 9 minus 9 ones are minus 9, 9 multiplied by minus 1 is minus 9, x square or x1, x cube, and this is 9 ones are 9, x square, x raised to 4. Okay, so this is your quotient. See, plus 9x square. 9x square, you will write the answer. What answer came? 9x raised to 4 minus 9x cube. Okay, what we do here is, okay, subtraction, it will 0. This minus will be plus. Plus minus, minus 9 minus 3 is plus 6x cube plus 2x square plus 0x plus 2. Okay, again you will write the divisor. x square minus x multiplied by which number? Focus. X cube, here x square, 1x is remain, okay, कम है, less है. X 6, here x cube is having 6 coefficient, here 1, so 6. So we will multiply it. Minus 6 minus 1 are minus 6x square, and this will be 6x cube. Okay, so you will write this as a quotient. See, plus 6x, then what was the answer? 6x cube minus 6x square. You will do minus only, this will be 0, this will plus, minus multiply minus will be plus, it will be plus 8x square plus 0x plus 2. Okay, then again you will multiply it, x square minus x multiply by which term? See, x square same, only 8, you will multiply it by only 8, it will be 8x, and this is 8x square. So this is your quotient, plus 8, it is plus 8x square minus 8x, okay, minus 8x, then you will do subtraction 0, this will be plus, so it will be 8x plus 2, okay, 8x plus 2. Now see here, x square and here x raised to 1, it means the divisor is greater than the dividend, which we will not solve, further we cannot solve, because divisor has a degree greater than the dividend. 8x, x raised to 1, here x raised to square, it means divisor degree is greater than dividend, इसके आगे solve नहीं हो सकता, it means this is the your final answer. So at last you will write the formula dividend is equals to divisor multiplied by quotient plus remainder, quotient plus remainder. So dividend means your first polynomial, you will write the first polynomial, that is 5x raised to 5 plus 4x raised to 4 minus 3x raised to cube plus 2x square plus 2. Okay, divisor is second polynomial, that is x square minus x, into quotient means the above one, that is 5x cube plus 9x square plus 6x plus 8 and remainder plus, what is remainder over there? 8x plus 2. This is how we have to write the divide the first polynomial by the second polynomial. Is it clear? I hope you understood how to solve this.